No! What is up, amiga? It is your girl Jennyfer Ross, and I am back at it again with yet another fall vlog. I used to be this girl who would just be covered in seasonal depression as soon as fall hits, but this year I decided to approach it a little bit different. And I also have a daughter, as you know, so she also forces me for the gut to embrace the season more. I've just been seeing how beautiful this season actually is, and I've been quite enjoying it. So I just want to let you know what you're getting yourself into. In this vlog, we will be going apple picking, we will be going to a petting zoo, we will be attempting to go to a pumpkin patch, make pumpkin soup with the pumpkin that we found at the pumpkin patch. And we will also be doing like some mommy self-care, you know. So I hope this is your thing. If it is, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to leave a comment down below. Grab a snack, grab a drink, and let's enjoy this vlog together. Hi, amiga! Today we are going apple picking.
Fall activity.
Yes! We are in the Netherlands and we're gonna go apple picking. So, you picked up Auntie and she's coming with us to pick apples.
Here, guys.
We're so excited.
Well, Auntie is here. How y'all doing, babies?
Oh, ew! Oef! Oef! En we zijn er hoor. Oef. Dole hoppykeks. Tje. Kaka, kijk sta leuk in, dat cute. Zeg je dat kaka? The freshly picked pears. Eentje nog waar we zo weg zijn. Eigenlijk pear, maar goed.
Pear?
Oh, haar is alles apple.
Pear?
Pear. Peertjes. Ja, ga deze meenemen.
Die tandjes zijn zo schattig.
In je mandje. Oh, oh. Safi didn't finish her snack, so she wanted to finish her snack before we start driving. Mmm. Look at there. Today, Sophie and I are visiting something that is supposed to be like a pumpkin patch. Let's hope that it is like that. I want it to be like the pumpkin patches in America, but we will see. We will have to do with what we have, okay? But yeah, let's embrace fall once again. Come here. Here it is. It just looks like somebody's house that they're selling pumpkins. But we're not gonna knock it before we try it. Okay. Wat leuk is dat? Oh, Sophia. So I'm making pumpkin soup with the pumpkin that Safi and I got from the pumpkin patch that we went to, which ended up just being somebody's house, but you know, you get the gist, you know. But I'm using that pumpkin to make soup because it's edible pumpkin, so. So we are back home, and one thing nobody talks about is having a baby. You need to find activities to do with them every single day. And today's activity is going to be bike riding. Here I was just saying that sometimes we think we need to do a whole bunch of stuff with our children, but something so simple as driving, fresh air, seeing cows is enough. The point I was trying to make is that we need to learn more from our children and see life and appreciate it more like our children do. the city. I'm gonna quickly go to Sanwa, that is the Asian supermarket, to pick up some stuff, some noodles that I really want. And I also needed to get my screen protector fixed because it was getting so ghetto. It was so broken. Needed to get it fixed. So got that, all of that done. I also needed some hair products. So I picked up those. And now I'm getting my noodles. Look at all the noodles that they got. I hope they have the one that I like. And they do. This is the one that I like. The black garlic oil noodles. Faith. I just love coming here. They have everything you could wish for. Now I'm gonna pick up Sophie some stuff that she always needs, which is formula, and then I think I'm done. But especially because I needed the hair stuff, I decided to come to the city. It was my first time driving here as well. Everything went so well. You just need to use your mirrors and you will be fine, you know. Just be on high alert when you drive in the city. But it was pretty good. It was easy, not gonna lie. And now I'm also gonna get away from here safe and period, you know. Always protected. I'm always protected. The universe is always looking out for me. So I'm always guided, and that's great. By the way, the Ferris wheel is here again. So pretty. And I also think I'm gonna pick up a fall drink because why not, you know? Managed to get everything that I came here for. Picked up a little drink from Dunkin'. Not any like fall drink, just a latte. I was not really in the mood for all the pumpkin or fall flavored things. I was just craving a hot beverage. So latte it is. So yeah, it was really nice to be here after a long time. And I should come more often. I really should. I just always go to the mall mostly, you know, since they have everything there and it's easy to drive. But yeah, it was really nice to be here again. Yay! That was not bad at all. It was only €5. So that's amazing. Mall is free parking though, so that's cheaper, definitely, but not too bad. Today is a new day. I am home. I've been editing a little bit. I went to the doctor's office this morning to get my blood drawn because they need to do like a blood exam for me. Next week I have my checkup appointment to see if everything is still going well diabetes wise. As I've mentioned in the past, I no longer really have problems with it. My sugar levels are normal now. But it will always be a point that have to be monitored because monitored, is that even a word? So that it never gets bad as it once was, you know? So yeah, that's that. So I got that done. And after that, I decided to treat myself to some coffee. And I decided to stay there and read my book a little bit. I'm still reading Verity from Colin Hoover. Not really making any progress with it because I need to just make more time to be reading. But it felt really good. I'm not gonna lie. Now I think I'm just gonna take an everything shower. It's been really chilly today. So I feel like that's a good idea, you know? 1, 2, 3. taking my everything shower and I am dead, I'm not gonna lie. But I quickly wanted to talk about my body care products with you, especially for fall and winter. I have my very specific routine. I like to really stay moisturized, so I thought I would share it with you. Maybe if you care, if you have a similar problem, or if you live in a cold country as well, then this could be handy. Take tips from this if you want. I use the xoxo body oil. It is the coca glossy body oil gel with almonds. Like, it's similar to this. I use this as well, but I bought this one and I am really liking it. So I use that, and then I use the Sticky Dates body lotion for the upper part of my body, and also to layer my perfume on later on. And then for the rest of my body, I use the 3-in-1 hand and body butter from Secret d'Afrique, and it's super good. This one I also use for Safi. Ben also uses it. We all use it in this household, but this is very nice also if you have eczema prone skin, which Safi has. But this just amazing, smells exactly how you expect it to smell. But it's all natural ingredients and no perfumes or anything added. It's 100% natural, which I really like. So I put on a top because I don't want to flash you, of course. So I use this on my body. Like, look at this, so good. Anyways, I'm gonna do my body care routine in silence because I'm just drained from that shower. So yeah, simply moisturizing your legs and your feet and then putting on warm socks. That's just the best feeling in the world. I cannot. I'm gonna use a little bit of this Sticky Dates thing. I bought like the little bottle, but oh my god, it's so good. I think I want the full size, but it's not cheap. It's like, for a body lotion, like, why? So much money. Oh my goodness. So good. It smells so good. For perfume today, I'm gonna do Hypnotic Poison. I also have a Zara dupe from this. It is called Hypnotic Vanilla. So good, and they literally smell the same. They're like, I don't know, but today I'm using the real one just because I have it, so why not? If you want to boost it even more, you could also do a body mist after your lotion and then your perfume. Good. Anyways, I'm gonna find some pants to wear and then I am going to get into my hair. I needed a minute after that. Like, I know I'm part of the problem, but we all act as if it's a walk in the park, but it's a lot. I actually wanted to blow dry my hair, but I really shouldn't because my hair is already so damaged in the front from being blow dried. So if I want to have hair by the next spring, I should really slow down with all the heat. So I opted to just do my half curly wig instead. Could also do my own hair, but I feel like that's going to be like a lot of work. So I feel like the wig is an easy, quick hairstyle that I can do, and it looks really put together. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I use this product for the back of my hair to keep my hair moisturized. It is the As I Am Classic Double Butter Cream. Works really well for my hair. And also like for stretched and twisted hairstyles, I feel like this works really well. I have the small drawer now because there was a time that I had like a whole bunch of hair products, and therefore I'm still in the process of finishing up a lot of the products that I have. But this product always worked so well for me. So using that in the back, I love that for this purpose, just to moisturize and keep my hair like soft, nice, and tangle free. By the way, the day that I went to the city, I bought this medicated shampoo. It's called Nizoral. First, I used my Yari shampoo, and then after that, I used the Nizoral because I've been having this problem for so long, way too long. And I'm ashamed to admit it, but you know, this is a shame-free zone. So it's really not an issue. But yeah, I've been having this problem for way too long. And that problem is called seborrheic dermatitis, I think it's called. It is where your scalp is so flaky, it's so irritated, it's inflamed, it's all of those things. And none of it is because of hygienic reasons, because trust me, I am a very clean girl, as in I take very good care of my hair. I'm not a dirty bitch at all. I keep myself clean. I take very good care of myself. When you don't handle that situation, it can get out of hand, and that slowly was happening. So I asked my doctor, and my doctor told me to first try this shampoo. And I'm not gonna lie to you, why did nobody tell me about this? And I'm not gonna lie to you, it took one wash, and the problem was gone, like crazy. So right now I just need to find a better routine with like the maintenance. I think I'm just gonna continue using the Yari shampoo to cleanse in between, and then use the Nizoral once a month or something, because I also don't think it's that I'm supposed to keep using it if I don't have any problems at the moment, you know? So you just use it whenever you have the itchiness and the irritations and stuff, which I really hope I don't get that back anytime soon. It's been such a relief to have a clean scalp and an itchy-free scalp. That is such an underappreciated feeling that we don't think about too much, but girl, that was crazy. Why did I put up with that problem for so long? And why did nobody tell me? I always thought that it was because my dad had that issue, that I had that issue. And like even some people in my culture told me once that, yeah, dandruff is gonna make your hair grow, girl. Yo, I don't know about that. None of that, because to me, that right now that I know better, that sounds like absolute craziness, okay? Absolute craziness. Alright, amiga, I've managed to find myself an outfit. And I am now gonna play a little bit of piano. I'm really not that good yet, but I'm trying to learn Happy Birthday before Safi's 2nd birthday. I want to be able to play it by then, so I'm going to practice playing piano. Something else I really like and haven't done in a while is some coloring. I have multiple, these are not my only ones, but I have a lot of coloring books. And I think I'm gonna color a little bit out of this one. This is super relaxing, like look at this. I've colored these in the past and I love the color combos that I did. I wanna make time for these kind of things again, because I really enjoy doing this, you know. I think these cats are gonna be really cute to color right now, and it's not like that big of a commitment, so I'm not gonna do that. And I'm gonna like put some music or something, or should I do a podcast? Babysitter from Hell, I don't know if I wanna listen to that. The Unforgivable Sin of Miss Rachel. We don't need no reasons to hate Miss Rachel, I'm sorry. Teen found dead in her trunk. There goes nothing. Let's color.
Grams of net carbs per serving, and the protein treats, they pack a limit to 12 grams of backs everything with a 100%.
I also just love sitting here in front of this window because we have like trees in front of our window. And sometimes I see like a little squirrel or like a bird, and I just really enjoy that. I feel so old saying that, but isn't that beautiful? I just love it. Love seeing nature doing what nature does, you know? By the way, how is my hair doing? I hope girls are still pretty wet, but I try to not even diffuse it because I just want to calm down with all the heat that I've been using. I should really not do any of that. So I'm still trying to grow on loving or leaving it alone. It's, I don't know, especially during winter, it's really difficult.
Or telling her mom she was just gonna be out for a bit, maybe grab a something from the gas station, which wasn't unusual, but that was out of ordinary. It wasn't until she knew that Hannah was looking for her too. It was entirely out of character for her, and anyone would know where Hannah was. It would be her boyfriend. Someone she spent a lot of time with trying to share the story. Headlines read, teenager finishes the description she was wearing last, and what kind of car she was driving. Here's the thing.
Alright, amiga, it is time for me to do some makeup. So I can go and take some pictures. I still am working on my Instagram. I try to post more over there. So if you want to see like more fall fashion inspiration, or if you want to see like cute lifestyle pictures of me and Sophie, then I suggest you follow me on Instagram as well. My handle there is at Jennyfer Ross. And yeah, I have like a coffee now. I still have some tea. I'm still listening to the podcast that I was listening to before, and it's quite interesting. And also I've yapped enough in this vlog, so I think I'm going to just continue listening to my podcast while I do my makeup. And I feel like I'm doing my makeup in every single vlog, so you get the gist. You know, I'm not going to be doing anything special today either.
Defense attorney David Chesnoff told the jury that police had rushed to arrest the wrong man. The male DNA found in her underwear could be explained by a consensual fooling around, as they put it.
What?
They were like,
please.
why wouldn't he have gotten rid of it already if it was so damning? And I know, maybe her clothing was on the bottom and her purse was on the top, weighing it down. All of the theatrics, that's what they were called, play out in this courtroom.
I agree.
Everything. Also, his fake crying. It was just like this big show. And there were all kinds of arguments. But probably the most infuriating argument from this defense, well, because there was no injury down there on Hannah's body, she couldn't have been forced. This young woman went through such a beating that another conclusion could be she was unconscious when that part occurred, so she wasn't fighting back. No resistance, no injury. The prosecution had to have... Even Denny himself looked visibly ill throughout almost all the trial. I've never seen anything like that. And his father had an excuse for it. He said that Denny had the flu. But it almost felt like a tactic to make the jury. And then came a moment that no one expected. The defense rested their case, the lies that he told about not seeing her that night. And Denny's defense reminded the jurors that there was no definite proof, no evidence of forced intercourse, so no murder, not guilty of any crime. And I was shocked, finding him not guilty to the most serious charges. And by the mistrial, but because Denny was let out on $1 million bond.
No! What the fuck?
With the defense, they ruled that Judge Bond had acted prematurely when she declared a mistrial in prison for a little while. Her father was just trying to keep everything and murder. Do you see a pattern here? I'm just going to call her Julie. The facts were so similar. People having some drinks. He never once took his hand off of her throat.
Alright, amiga, makeup is done. I'm now gonna go out and take my pictures. And then after that, I think it's time for lunch because I'm a little hungry. Okay, amiga, I am back from taking my pictures. It went so well, so I'm really happy about that. And I think it is now time for lunch. Let's make lunch. I found these at Albert Heijn. They are soup dumplings, and I've seen these in videos that I watch from American vloggers. They get them at Trader Joe's in America, and I want to try them actually. So what am I supposed to do? 2 to 3 minutes in the microwave, it says. Okay, it just says to put this in the microwave for 20 minutes and 20 seconds. By the way, 2 minutes and 20 seconds that is, okay? Not 20 minutes. because then we might have a problem. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. But just read the instructions on the back and you will be fine, okay? I think I want to top it off with a little saucy sauce and then like some chili onion crunch. Okay, soup dumplings are ready. Let me try them. Very hot, oh my god. But it's actually pretty good though. Yeah. It's giving a gyoza vibe with a little bit of soup inside. You know? I'm not mad at this. If I see them again, I will buy it again. Yeah. Alright, amiga. I have some errands to get done before I go pick up Safi from daycare. So I think now is a good time to get those done. I'm gonna go do that. The soup dumplings, I really liked them and I really recommend them. The only thing that I would say is that they are a little bit difficult to eat. It's really easy to burn your tongue, so be careful with that, you know. But other than that, they are delicious and I would definitely pick them up again. So try them if you see them. And yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this vlog. I think I'm gonna end it here. Once again, the reminder to just enjoy every season as they come, because there is so much to get out of every season. And this year I really decided that instead of letting seasonal depression hit me, I'm just gonna try to make the best out of everything, you know. So Safi really helps with that too, because I definitely don't want to teach her to just embrace depression. If you are a person who is prone to seasonal depression, try to just embrace and see the beautiful things in every season. But if you made it up until this point, amiga, make sure to leave down below the bear emoji. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Make sure to also like, comment, share, and subscribe to help out my channel. And I hope to see you soon in another video. Bye, amiga. Love you.